this is Sam Ferber, and we're doing a day in the life of a student at the MSU Showcase, and you're invited to come along with. So right now, we're in Great Southern Bank Arena, just got past the check-in for Showcase. We're heading down the department hallways right now to check out the different booths. We had a great introduction this morning at the Great Southern Bank Arena, and we got to watch a wonderful presentation from student ambassadors and the president of MSU. School officials say starting in July, organizations will be reclassified as registered student organizations.
To Malibu, a road trip drama.
So we just got done inside of Strong Hall. We got an amazing tour of the broadcast journalism department, and we got to do a mock-up anchor for like our own little mock-up show, and it was a great experience. And yeah, we're just kind of walking around campus, taking in the views. It's beautiful out today, and yeah, it looks amazing. I'm taking a seat at the outside area of the Placer Student Union, and one of the cool things about MSU is they have so many programs. They have programs in the arts and the sciences, humanities. They have programs in math, history, computer science. Like anything you want, you can find here at MSU.